Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I know this isn't the usual video, but I finally got Ione on my island, and I have the battling that goes with him from Green Goat Ranch, and let's get started. Is this not the cutest little piece of fiber you've ever seen? And before spinning, I need to split it up into smaller, more manageable pieces that are easier to spin. So, now that I've split everything, I am going to use my roulette because it has a bigger whirl, and since I am doing an art yarn, that is going to be better instead of my other wheel that has a very tiny orifice. So I'm going to be core spinning, so that means I'm going to be wrapping the fiber around a core. Okay, so for core spun, you need your core thread. I am using I believe a 16-2 cotton in my left hand, and then in my right hand I have my fiber supply, and I'm just gonna kind of let the yarn do its thing and wrap around the core to create little lumps and bumps and create a very amazing yarn.
I'm not an experienced yarn spinner, I will disclaim that, but I am finding this really enjoyable. So I'm finding that it's easiest to draft it out on the side like
that. So essentially, in core spinning, you are drafting out fiber to the side as much or as little as you want to wrap around your core, and then you're sort of letting the twist from the wheel spin that core, and that twist is what will grab your fiber and twist it around the core, and then you are pretty much free to move the fiber around to wherever you want to. Okay, so it has been literally over a year since I filmed what you guys just watched. I realized I never actually published that video, and I still need to finish it, and I never showed you the final yarn. So, here is the final yarn. As you can see, it is very thick and lumpy, and I think it'll make for great add-ins for like weaving pieces. I don't tend to weave with thicker yarns, but I think this might be really fun to incorporate into a scarf, and it'll add some nice texture and lots of visual texture as well. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your Tour de Fleece. Happy spinning!